Hi, Marty here. Just a quick tip, little video here on a question that came in about using iPad and the Pages app to edit documents, but really as it pertains to cloud storage. So if you're storing your documents somewhere else, whether that be Google Drive, Dropbox, or in this case, SkyDrive, the question was how to really do that. So how to pull it out of SkyDrive, edit it, and then put it back into SkyDrive. So this is a quick little just run through on how to do that. So I've got SkyDrive open. I've got a test folder that I just created. I'm going to create a Word document here, and I'm creating it. And I'm doing this in a browser on the computer. So we're pretending that we have this document and we've edited it. So it lives out in the cloud. It lives in my SkyDrive. So now I want to go to my iPad and I want to go to my SkyDrive app, and we should see this folder that we've created called testing folder, and here's this test demo, and I have it pulled up. Wonderful. So now I want to click to open in another app, and I'm going to choose Pages. And Pages converts the file, and now I can pull up and I can continue in Pages. Okay, so now I've saved this document that I've continued to edit, and now what I can do is I can go to Share and Print and open in another app, and I want to say that I want this to go as a Word document so that it continue to be edited. And I want to choose my app and SkyDrive. And I want to push the arrow to select the folder that I want, testing folder, and select this location. So now, hopefully, my files have been uploaded, and on my iPad, I can see that I have two documents now. I have one that is the original one, and I also have the second one. Now, it's named something a little bit funky that we could maybe rename or edit. So, not perfectly ideal, but definitely we see the date and the time, which is handy. And now if I go back to this folder, I can see this document, and I can certainly rename it if I want. Rename. And so now I have this second document that it should say continuing to edit from Pages. So that's just a quick demo of how to use iPad and your cloud storage, in this case SkyDrive, to edit documents. There's other ways to edit your documents in the browser of an iPad, which may be a little easier, but if you'd like to use Pages to incorporate images and whatnot, and it's something you're comfortable with, then this is a way to do it. The one thing to really understand here is that by doing this, or by the example that we just showed, using Pages app to edit a document stored in SkyDrive, it's essentially kind of the same concept of using email to pass documents back and forth. We've all edited a document on one computer or device and then emailed it to yourself so that you could edit it later and then email it back with different versions, and which is really tough to track versions that way, and things kind of get confusing. But essentially this is the same kind of procedure or concept. Is you're editing a document, saving it back to your cloud storage, and essentially creating a separate version of that document. That might not be ideal. It definitely works, and it's something that we've always done with email, but generally what you want to look for is a way to leverage your cloud storage space for your work or your documents, and have the ability to edit those documents live while they're in the cloud storage. The advantage there is that you can edit on multiple devices, including your smartphone, and you just have one version of the document with multiple edits. Depending on kind of what you're after, both avenues are good. You just want to kind of understand that there is a difference, and you want to understand that the process may have you creating multiple versions of the same document or file. So hope this helps. It's just one more way to be cool with your tools.